front of it. Back there is where we're watching for the tornado. Oh, we might have a tornado. I see something on the ground back there. Yep. Look straight where the car is pointing on the ground.
Oh,
there's a big dust swirl.
You really cool.
Okay. Yep, there I can see it. I can see the funnel up above where the dust swirl is.
Oh, yeah.
We got a tornado! I feel like I should call it in. Is it hailing yet? You see it, baby?
Yeah.
Get your iPad out. Take a picture or take a video. Oh! If it starts hailing, we're gonna have to get in. Yeah. We caught it right. We just happened to see the dust swirl right before it started. Yep. This stuff's flying, so it can't stay here very long. Plus, the hail was a lot bigger that way. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow, look at it. Look at the dust getting thrown around.
Ow, I just got hit.
Oh.
Right.
I see hail, so there was something. Oh, they get bigger and we're definitely going in.
Okay.
Let's this is coming right in.
Oh, it's heading for that town. That's gonna be bad.
Oh. Oh. Let's see if we can hear it. Here. You want to get up?
Yeah.
Alright, same thing again. Get buckled in. Oh man, it's really close. Jeez. Isn't it crazy, Paige?
Yeah.
Alright, it's getting close. We need to... Yep, that's bad. That farm.
Do you think there's any animals?
Those look like pig buildings.
Aww.
Okay. I have to go count. Go home.
Oh my god, look at it.
Let's go right over like a pig farm.
It keeps like, it's gonna miss that town back there. Oh my god. What? Alright, let's try here. I think it's gonna go.
I'm going up. Ready or not, you're on time.
Okay, you can. Let's see, it's gonna miss us now. This is ridiculous. Paige, you can hear it. Let's see, it's gonna miss us now. This is ridiculous.
Straighten my hair today.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm having like anxiety attacks.
Paige, you can hear it.
Oh yeah, you can.
Man.
Oh my god. You can see all that debris.
yep, look, it hit stuff.
Oh no.
Hear it?
Yeah. I'm having like really bad anxiety attacks.
It's alright. Keep going. Holy cow.
This is how I felt yesterday. I knew it was gonna happen.
Did you?
Yeah. Go into my room.
Really anxious or whatever.